Can you see my can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So if you select enable auto scaling, even though your memory is running out because of heavy workload, so it will basically try to use whatever all the number of worker nodes that are required. It will automatically internally increase this worker nodes and it will use it. So that is the importance of this enable auto scaling. But for our practice purpose, we don't select this. I don't. I want to control the number of worker nodes that we are using. And so, as I mentioned, terminate this cluster for how many minutes of inactivity. So I want to basically terminate after 4 minutes of inactivity, for suppose. So at least it is saying that 10 minutes, okay? The minimum interval that you can keep up to 10. After 10 minutes of inactivity, you can basically terminate this cluster. So once you click on create compute, so with this configuration, so this cluster will be created. So the more you select the worker nodes, the performance will be faster. The performance will be based on number of worker nodes that you are selecting, because this worker nodes means internally the memory and the number of cores. Okay. So that point that we need to remember. So this is the whole story about the cluster and this workspace bit and the notebook. Okay. So Monday onwards, within the notebook, so we will see like how to upload the files and how to create the data frames, the structure. So we will be discussing more on the PySpark, and then in the middle, so we'll based on the requirement, I will try to introduce the core database concepts also. And after that, we will see like how to call these Databricks notebooks from the ADF environment, Azure Data Factory environment. Okay, so all these things we will see within the database. First, my focus to discuss about the PySpark. You should be compatible with the PySpark. Okay, so this is the thing from today's session. So I hope this makes some sense. But yeah, so we'll be meeting on Monday to discuss further in depth. Okay. Any questions? Okay. So if you don't have any, so we'll end the session here and we will meet on Monday.